Hello guys, we just two ingredients. This drink is amazing. It tastes very delicious. You are going to enjoy every bit of this juice. Let's dive into it. I'll be using fresh blueberries for this recipe. It's just two ingredients and the drink is very amazing. It tastes very good. So I'll be using grapes, fresh grapes. All the ingredients have been thoroughly washed and thoroughly clean. So let's start making our juice. This juice tastes really amazing. So I'll be using a slow juicer for this recipe to extract my juice. And slow juicer make you get all the nutrients and all the juice in your juice if you are trying to get a perfect and rich juice. So I'm using slow juicer and it's a very perfect juicer for my juice. So after adding my grapes, I'm going to go ahead and add my blueberries and everything are very fresh. I get it today from the grocery store and it's come out very fresh and I picked the best among all. So I'm going to extract. Please do not forget to like this video and please do not forget to share. It means a lot to me when you comment in my videos, and there are lots of recipe in my channel. Please feel free to go through it and see what you like. Let me know what you think about my recipe. There are so many recipes that are coming, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload new videos. I have so many Nigeria recipes and I have so many drinks in my channel. Please feel free and go through it. So after extracting this, I'm going to release. It's very easy when you are using a slow juicer for this. You get all the nutrients of your juice when you are trying to extract. You can also use a blender for this recipe as well if that is what you have available. Everything sounds good and the juice tastes really amazing. After extracting, I'm going to serve into a glass cup to enjoy this. You can add ice cube to it to enjoy, or you can put it in the refrigerator or let it be chill. So this is the outcome after serving. Please do not forget to like, share and comment. See you in my next recipe and please enjoy this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and keep watching my recipe. There are so many to come. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.